Ciao Tesla people, I got a notification that there is a software update. I already went through the download from the phone via Wi-Fi from my apartment and it's ready to go. So let's do that. No, install now, sorry. And it's the 2024.32.6 and that's it. The installation started. It should take around half an hour since this is going to be a release note. The release note says it's just minor bug fixes and improvements. As usual, this means that the installation will be faster and there are no major features update. But we know that sometimes they do update some features and they don't document it. And a few days later, the installation, some people figure out that there are some updates. Usually are minor updates, maybe some UI changes, some behavior of apps, of some apps, or something else. Okay, so we'll do the installation. Half an hour for you. It's going to be 3 seconds. So I'm done with the installation. Sorry, okay. And let's check out the release notes. Let's go to software all the way down. So it's 2024.36. Okay, here is the release notes. There is just the release notes contain minor bug fixes, improvements. Okay. Let's check out if there are any blue dots here. Doesn't look like. Let's see in the apps. Doesn't look like. So looks like for now it's just the bug fixes and improvements. It has the release notes mentioned. Let me check if that bug that I found out is still there. So if you pull up the climate control and you select the wipers, nothing comes up. But if you go down, the wipers interface is here. So I mentioned that this is a bug because if you do this and it's not there, but in reality it's there, you see. So if I pull it up, it's there, but if I pull it up, it's not there. Anyway, so this 2024.32.6 was a bug fixes and improvements. We'll see in the coming days if there are any undocumented changes. Usually it's like that. I found out that 50-60% of the time bug fixes then we'll figure out that there is an undocumented change, and we'll know what change was in the coming days when people start to play around with this and some behavior maybe or some apps or feature changed. So we'll know in the coming days. In the meantime, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.